Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine this. Your computer becomes unresponsive. The screen freezes, and the mouse or touchpad stops working. Now you're stuck, and the only tool you have left is your keyboard. Don't worry, today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to shut down or restart your Windows computer using only the keyboard. The first method is using the Windows key and X shortcut. Hold down the Windows key and tap X. A side menu will pop up. Now use the arrow keys to navigate to shut down or sign out, and press Enter. Use the arrow keys again to select shut down or restart. Then press Enter to confirm. The second method is using the Alt key and F4 shortcut. Make sure you are on the desktop. Then hold down Alt key and tap F4. The Shutdown Windows dialog will appear. Use the arrow key to choose Shut down or Restart, and press Enter to confirm. The last method is using Ctrl, Alt, and Delete shortcut. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete at the same time. A new screen will appear. Using the Tab key to select the power icon in the bottom right corner. Then press Enter. Use the arrow key to select Shut down or Restart. Then press Enter to execute. And that's it. Now you know 3 ways to shut down or restart your computer by just using the keyboard. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.